Hi all, hope you're having a good day. Today I have a new video for you. I'm gonna show you the keyboard shortcuts for Google Chrome, and these would just be the general shortcuts to do things. So for example, you can hold Alt and press F, and this will bring up a menu that you can see where you can access a new tab, a new window, a new incognito window, and stuff like that. And this will just help you to get to know the keyboard shortcuts. But if you don't want to read through those keyboard shortcuts, I will tell you some right now. So, the second one I want to talk to you about is the bookmark tab, and you can hide it or show it by holding Control, Shift, and pressing B. And as you can see, bookmark tab shows up. And to get rid of it, you just do the same. This acts as a sort of toggle. The next one I want to show you is to open the history page in the new tab. To do this, it's fairly simple. You just hold Control and press H, and your history will show up, like so. Right, just press back, get to my main page. Right, the one I want to show you now is to open the downloads page in a new tab. So for this one, you want to hold Control and press J, and that'll show you your previous downloads. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Just gonna press back. Right. And the next one I want to show you is to open the Google Chrome Task Manager. And what you want to do for this is hold Shift and press Escape, and that will open the Task Manager. It's opened in a new window, so I'm not sure if my screen capture will capture it. But just so you know, it has opened a Task Manager. Right. And the next one, which will be set focus on the first item in the Chrome toolbar. This is fairly simple. You hold Shift, hold Alt, press L. Although it won't do anything on mine because this is the first page, so there isn't anything previous to select. The next one is the same thing, only it sets focus on the rightmost item in the Chrome toolbar. And to do that, you press F10. The one after that switches focus on the unfocused dialog. If it is shown, it also switches focus from all toolbars. I'm not going to show you that one because as you can see we only have one toolbar and we have no writing shown up, but that's F6. Right, the next one is quite useful and to do it there are two ways of doing it, but you need writing on the screen. So I'll just go to Wikipedia, find a random page. So I found English and I'm going to open the Find toolbar. And to do this, I'm going to hold Control, press F, and as you can see in the top right of my screen, I've got the Find toolbar. Just get rid of that somehow. The other way you can do this is by pressing F3, and that'll do the same thing. And to get rid of it, just press Escape. That's all for my video, and thank you for watching.